Hello, ho, ho, and welcome back to another episode of Python with an kind of different video today because we are looking back at exceptions. We kind of handled them long time before, but we more kind of covered the try and except method like this. Try, print, hey, except exception, O, exception as E, O plus print F, O, E, like this. And now if we print it, we get nothing because this is not an error and no exception is raised. So we will print this, but if we print something like we can't add print hey to 1, we get unsupported operand type S. So he's still printing the hey, but then he tried to add 1 to the print hey, but print doesn't return anything. So it just returns none. Plus 1 doesn't work that way. So we an exception is raised, which is called I guess syntax. No, let's see what happens. If we, for example, use a zero division error, which is not, he should still raise the exception. And we get a type error. Okay, that was a type error. And we still can say something like except type error. No, not like this, type error. So we can catch different exceptions with the except term. In other language it is called try catch because we kind of catch a certain exception. Now in Python it is called except, but works pretty much the same way. And this is all the basic stuff for beginner. And now let's create our own exception. And we create a class for that. And just call a class stupid exception we use inheritance, and it inherited from exception class. And because of this we need of course the constructor. Message can be one string like message equals why am I born? Why did you raise me? And now we need the super keyword like super init. He already, if you are using PyCharm, he will type automatically super with brackets point init. Now we need a message, which we can do by message. And now we need a case where we can raise this exception like def is dog, return string, or let's call it, because string is already in keyword, string equals dog, and if string equals cat, raise stupid exception with no input. And now let's print cat is dog. Like this. And stupid exception, why did you raise me? you don't need to understand my kind of humor, because Germans don't have any humor, or German humor is really strange. But what you should get is that you create a class inheritance, which inheritance from exception. We need the constructor. We can do a message, super init message so we need the super keyword with brackets point init, and then the message as an argument. So the message is here, as you can see in the last line, why did you raise me? And yeah, definition, we used our own function is dog. If string equals cat, raise our stupid exception. And yeah, now if we print is dog a cat, yeah, and we can even try to catch it with our try except statement, like try except stupid exception, print, hey, I'm a cat. And now he prints, hey, I'm a cat, because we catched our exception. We can also add something like, let's say if cat in string, and now let's say something like self point pos equals, we can here add another argument pos, and say something like pos equals 0. Let's call it additional info equals the cat hides at pos and now we can also say something like raise exception, like pos equals 3-point index cat. And yeah, if we can say accept exception as e, hey, I'm a cat, print e point position. Oh no, e point additional info. Yeah, let me copy that before I make any writing mistakes. And yeah, it should be self point additional info. And now, and yeah, I made a mistake here. Yeah, the cat hides at position 0 because I forgot. And now, yeah, at position 0, let's do something like this. Now it is at position 3 because the cat is at position 3. Yeah. And you can maybe think for yourself any other arguments, anything else you can add here. The main thing is just you need inheritance and the super, and then you can do whatever you want regarding the exceptions. So maybe have fun creating your own exceptions, and I guess I got a few outtakes. So see you, bye bye. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye. Oh, wonky. Why bye bye. Hello. Oh, I'm a little bit too loud. Hello ho ho, and yeah, welcome back to another episode, and I am stupid. Hello ho ho, and yeah, welcome back to Python, and yeah,